Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm one of the audiologists here at Audiology Associates.
And my name is Taylor Green. We've got a really super sharp, short one for you today. S's, all the S's.
Yeah.
So you can see this kind of, it's almost like skin. Just a plug of skin. Standard size on the tube, I believe we've got on here. I'm going really slow here just to try and keep this whole thing together.
There's a bit of a tail attached, isn't there? That's what, there we go.
There we
Look
go.
at that coming away. That one ribbon of keratin running all the way along it.
I haven't had a good ribbon in a long time.
Do you know, I haven't. I thought I was going to have one the other day, but it snapped off really quickly. Yeah. It's where you get these ones with this kind of like a ribbon and blobs of wax all the way along it. When my son was little, he used to watch something called Octonauts.
Yeah, they're still on now.
Still on.
Still on.
And there's this creature in there called a siphonophore, which is like a combination of like lots of creatures all living together. It forms this really long chain with bits in. Yeah, I remember that.
There's another little tail.
Oh, look, there you go.
All that was all together. If only.
I know. Sorry, what about David Attenborough there in the middle of that? I'm sorry, buddy.
Not. So we've got this drier, sort of deeper section. I honestly thought I was going to have some trouble taking this last bit out because the front section where the patient's been using oil was nice and soft, but you can see this last bit is all just kind of moving in one big piece. And
that's a nice piece.
Yeah, it came out quite easily for us. I was quite surprised with that bit.
It almost looks like it was going to be a ribbon, that one, doesn't it?
Yeah. You can see we've got a very tiny little bump on the ear canal there, so we've possibly got a little bit of exostosis going on here. I don't think it is though.
No.
But yeah, we would have asked, obviously told the patient that we would have kept an eye on it.
You can get these kind of little benign lumps and bumps and stuff like that are just sort of knocking about in the ear canal. They're not, there's nothing untoward going on there. People just get them. It's like as soon as you get lumps and bumps on your skin and places, it just happens. There's nothing to worry about in there.
We've got another, just under 2 centimeters.
I'm going to go about 3/4 of an inch on that one. Guys, we forgot to say, if you do enjoy the videos, then please like, heart, share, follow, and subscribe. If you have ear problems yourself, then please check out the link tree. You'll be able to get an appointment with myself or the amazing Mr. Taylor Green.
Or the wonderful Rhys Barber.
Oh, thank you very much. So as always, guys, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another, and we'll see you again real soon. Bye, everyone.
Bye.